Today I'm in downtown Clarendon Hills at 229 Park Avenue in a very large one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment. Here's the front door where I started. There's the kitchen. It's got a nice wraparound kitchen. Quartz countertops, white countertops. There's a nice breakfast bar here. Our back's at the door now, so down this hallway we have the bathroom. There's a very large mirror I'm going to try to stay out of. Here there's an in-unit washer and dryer side by side, so you have a lot of room. And over on the side you see there is another closet. As you walk in, an entry closet, there's your furnace and hot water heater, central heat and air conditioning, obviously. So this is the main living room. It's very big. It's big enough if you wanted, I think, to put a couch and a living room set here and then put a desk or something behind it. It's very popular these days with a lot of people working at home. See, the ceilings are high. Those are 42-inch cabinets. Normally those cabinets would be at the ceiling and they're not quite there. So I'm saying there's probably 9-foot ceilings here. Over here you have another closet. You could use this as your entry closet if you wanted to, your coat closet as you come in. Here is the bedroom. This bedroom would easily hold a queen-size bed. I'm pretty sure it would also do a king-size bed. It's a great space. And this is sort of I want to say like a Jack and Jill kind of a bathroom. You can get to it from the bedroom and from the living room. I'll show you that as we go. Nice organized closets on both sides here. You can move these closet rods as you see fit. Makes a great space. On the far side over there you have an extra large shower. See, it's got the bench in it. Here you have a really big vanity. You also have another linen closet inside the bathroom itself. And then I had this door closed just to keep me out of the mirror in the bathroom. Would have been hard to do. Again, we're back out at the front where we started. Front door there to your right. Nice big refrigerator, side-by-side refrigerator, dishwasher, nice slide-in stove.